So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and sorry if you can't see my face today. Today I just want to try and boil ndumas. Nduma is arrowroots, using this multi-cooker function cooking pot. It's a multi-cooking pot. Let me say that. It's from Krups. Let me show you guys. Those who are in Germany, it's from Krups Cook For Me. And as you can see here, they have the ingredients part. Can you see it? Can you see it? Try to focus. And I'm going to try for the first time like to cook or to boil ndumas with it. Here I have the ndumas. Here I have the ndumas straight from the Afro shop, and they don't look like they were last time. If you watch my Afro shop video, you saw the kind of ndumas that I got. These ones are from, they are supposed to be from Uganda. I'm not sure if they are from Uganda because my husband picked them up, but I hope they are tasty. So we're going to take the pot out. Like, this is the pot, it's big enough. So I'm going to put the, I hope you can see. Now I'm going to put the arrowroots inside. Like that. And then I'm going to add water. I'm trying to make them fit well. Kubwa sana, I think, like that. And then I'm going to add water. Like that, slightly above the ndumas. I think that's enough. I don't know why, but I think it's a habit. I always like wipe the pot before putting it back to the cooker. I'll wipe that excess water. Then I'm going to put it back. I have the option of choosing the ingredients. Let's see if they have that option of arrowroots, meat and chicken, fish and shellfish, fruits and vegetables, sweet potatoes. Let's see how long they're supposed to cook. Sweet potatoes, we go with the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there were 5 to 5. You're not supposed to put more than 5 pieces, but we have 5. Cover the ingredients with liquid. I have water. Cooking 29 minutes. I'm not sure, but I think I'll go with 20. Because if the pressure cooker can cook the soup and hoon with 10 minutes, then I'm going to go with 20 minutes. I hope it's okay. Maybe I go with 25. Let me just go with 20. Yeah, 23 to be safe. Okay. And then instant. And now it's cooking. It's preheating and then it's going to start. Let's just wait and see. So guys, as you can see, the pressure is coming out and it's the end of the cooking. So I have to wait till the pressure is done. And then I can still smell that nduma aroma. Woo. Let's wait for the pressure to stop so that we can see what's inside or how it turned out.
So as you can see, guys, here are the Ndumas. I'm not sure if they are ready. They feel ready, but I'm happy with the way they are cooked. As you can see, because I'm still going to like deep fry them. So I'm going to take them out of the pot.
That is so good.
Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after.
So anyways, guys, as you can see, I just peeled one kandoma. Naona the way it looks nice, kamututu. I don't know if you can see. Let me put the camera down. Yes, very nice. I was not sure if it's going to work, but as you can see, it looks super good. Yes, naniza mututu kamututu kauma. Let me taste it. So guys, now we're going to repeat the same process and then prepare the ngwashes. So guys, the ngwashes are ready, and one thing I've realized is that with the ngwashes, with the sweet potatoes program, it was recommending 21 minutes, and I reduced 20 to 23, and as you can see, it feels like it's overcooked, especially the red ones. Zinafinyika, no. But I love it. So next time maybe I'm going to put 15 minutes or 17. But with the Ndumas, I love it. I love the results. Thank you to Krups. This video is actually not sponsored by Krups or Krups people. I just wanted to share with you the tips. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys and see you next time. Bye bye.